Plant FAQs, Dalea frutescens, Black Dalea. As a passionate gardener, I've recently delved into the world of Black Dalea, Dalea frutescens, a stunning and hardy plant that deserves more recognition. In this article, I'll tackle some frequently asked questions about Black Dalea, covering everything from propagation to its benefits in the garden. What is Black Dalea? Black Dalea is a perennial shrub belonging to the Fabaceae family, native to the southwestern United States. Known for its vibrant purple flowers and gray-green foliage, it thrives in dry, sandy soils and is a fantastic addition to xeriscapes. Its ability to attract pollinators, especially bees and butterflies, makes it a favorite among gardeners looking to support local wildlife. How to care for Black Dalea? Caring for Black Dalea is relatively straightforward. This plant prefers full sun and well-drained soil. While it's drought-tolerant once established, regular watering during the growing season can help promote healthier growth and more abundant blooms. I've found that applying a light layer of mulch around the base can help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. How to propagate Black Dalea? If you're interested in expanding your Black Dalea collection, propagation is quite simple. You can propagate it from seeds or cuttings. For seeds, collect them in the fall and plant them in well-draining soil. Keep them moist until germination, which typically occurs in a few weeks. Alternatively, you can take softwood cuttings in early summer. Dip the cut ends in rooting hormone and plant them in a potting mix. With some patience and care, you'll have new plants in no time. Is Black Dalea deer-resistant? One of the significant advantages of Black Dalea is that it is deer-resistant. I've noticed that deer tend to avoid it, making it an excellent choice for those living in areas with heavy deer traffic. This resistance is likely due to its aromatic foliage, which isn't appealing to these animals. What to plant with Black Dalea? When considering companion plants, I've had success pairing Black Dalea with other drought-tolerant species. Plants like lavender, agastache, and various succulents complement its aesthetic while thriving in similar conditions. These combinations create a vibrant, low-maintenance garden that flourishes with minimal water. Can you grow Black Dalea indoors? While Black Dalea is primarily suited for outdoor gardens, it can be grown indoors if you provide enough light. A south-facing window or a grow light can help it thrive. However, keep in mind that it prefers dry air and well-draining soil. Overwatering is a common issue when grown indoors, so I recommend being cautious with the watering routine. Is Black Dalea toxic? No, Black Dalea is not toxic to pets or humans. This makes it a safe choice for family gardens or areas where pets roam. I love knowing that I can incorporate this beautiful plant into my landscape without worrying about its safety. Benefits of Black Dalea. Beyond its beauty, Black Dalea offers numerous benefits. Its drought tolerance makes it an eco-friendly option for water-wise gardens, which is especially important in regions prone to drought. Additionally, its ability to attract pollinators supports local ecosystems, providing food and habitat for beneficial insects. Common problems with Black Dalea. Though Black Dalea is generally hardy, it can encounter a few issues. Overwatering is a common problem that leads to root rot. I've seen this happen when the plant is in poorly draining soil. Additionally, watch for pests like aphids or spider mites, especially during dry spells. Regular inspection and maintaining good air circulation can help mitigate these issues. Comparing Black Dalea with similar plants. When it comes to similar plants, I often compare Black Dalea with other drought-tolerant options like desert lavender or Mexican sage. While both of these plants also attract pollinators and thrive in dry conditions, Black Dalea stands out for its unique foliage and distinctive flower shape. It's worth considering what aesthetic and functional qualities you want in your garden when making a choice. Conclusion. Black Dalea is a remarkable plant that offers beauty, resilience, and ecological benefits. Whether you're looking to attract pollinators, create a low-maintenance garden, or simply add a pop of color to your landscape, it's worth considering. With the right care and attention, you can enjoy the vibrant blooms of Black Dalea for years to come.